welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this unit right here. It was a fail. I had high hopes for this wig, but you know, as far as the coloring in it, it is so cute. The coloring is so nice, but this is just, it's just not it. It's a cosplay wig, like, but that does not mean it's a bad wig, and I'm going to tell you why it's not a bad wig. But before we get into all that, of course, you know that I'm going to get into all the details of it. I'm really upset because I had really high hopes for this wig. Like, I'm going to show you guys what I was hoping the install was going to look like. Like, I have a picture. Okay, don't judge me, by the way. You see how I am in this picture, with the lace and stuff? That's what I was expecting this to be like, but this is what it looks like. Bruh. When I tell you this is like a cosplay wig, like, that's exactly what it is. Like, oh my god. Bruh. I had high hopes. You know what? I'm gonna take these earrings out because the earrings are just in the way. I'm just so upset that this wig didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Yeah, I'm just really upset. But it's okay. We still gonna slay. So I usually don't give bad reviews on wigs, but this one, baby girl, this ain't it. This ain't it. Okay, this is from an Amazon company. So this company reached out to me and wanted me to do a wig review on this unit, and so I said sure, of course. I believe they're called For Cute You, I don't know. But this is the long wavy synthetic ombre ash blonde mixed beach blonde middle part natural hair wig for cosplay heat resistant fibers. It's definitely cosplay. There's not much you can do with this wig. It's a costume wig. It's not, I'm not wearing this out to the club. I'm not wearing this out to hang out with the girls. I'm not wearing this for brunch. None of that. Like, I'm not doing none of that with this wig. Like, it does look like the mannequin in the picture, but it does not look like the girl in the picture. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean when I say that. So it does not look like this girl. The colors do, but as far as the actual wig, it looks like that. I'm going to show you guys like up close on the part space or whatever. I tried to do my best with it, and I even tried to like take the little part off, which you guys will see down here, but that is exactly what she is looking like. Like, I can't do nothing with that. So, but I do like this wig. I do like the colors on it and stuff like that. It is on Amazon for $18.99. If you are an Amazon Prime member, it comes in 2 days. And they do have a coupon that you can save 5% with. Just click the coupon, you can save 5%. Make sure you click my link below. What can I say? Tangling, not too much tangling. This thing is shedding like crazy. Like, when I tell you, I literally just brushed through this, and this is what I've got. A lot of tangling. And I'm sorry, but wig should like be able to be worked with, if that makes sense. I can't work with this wig. It's definitely costume Halloween vibes. So what I'm going to do, because this part and stuff is just not what's up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black whatever. This is actually some of my leggings that I ripped up because it had a hole in it, but I'm just gonna take this and just tie that around here like that. And to think I was gonna actually try to wear this wig out. No, sweetheart. Okay, so there. That looks so much better. Like, I feel confident in this now. So yeah, it's definitely tangling a lot to the point where the hair is like on me and it's like, it feels weird. I don't really have much to say about this wig. It's not, I love the colors. The colors on this is like beautiful, but it's just not what I thought it was going to be. So I'm a little upset about that. But you know, all in all, if you are looking for a wig for costume, and if you're looking for a wig to wear for a party, like a costume party, go for it. But as far as an everyday wig to go somewhere, no, this is not it. So yeah, I'm sorry that this video probably wasn't what you guys were expecting it to be, but make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you are okay with the fact that I'm telling it like it is, because I'm telling it like it is. I'm not gonna sit here and advertise hair and give you 5 stars if it's not 5-star. Like, yeah, that's pretty much all I have about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did not enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.